Find the intercepts of the equation, then graph the equation. The equation is 2x minus y equals 3, and we'll find the x-intercept first. To do that, we will let y equal 0 and solve the equation for x. So I have 2x minus 0 equals 3, or just 2x equals 3, and I'll divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals 3 halves. So that tells us that 3 halves 0 is the x-intercept. Now we'll find the y-intercept. To do that, we'll let x equal 0 and solve for y. 2 times 0 minus y equals 3, or just the opposite of y equals 3. And if I multiply on both sides by -1 or divide on both sides by -1, I have y is equal to -3. So that tells us that 0, -3 is the y-intercept. Now let's plot these points and graph the equation. We had the point 3 halves 0, which is right here, and we had the point 0, -3. So let's connect those. And we will label the equation. We will label the graph with the equation. 2x minus y equals 3. And now let's use a third point as a check to see if we've done this correctly. Let's go back to the equation and we'll let x equal 3. So we have 2 times 3 minus y equals 3, or 6 minus y equals 3. I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides, and I get the opposite of y equals -3. And if I multiply both sides by -1, then I get the point, I get y equals 3, so I have the point 3, 3, which is also on the graph of the equation. And let's look back at our graph. And we do see that we have that point on the graph, so that's a check that we've drawn the graph correctly.